This is a quick second video in this Norcal build. But first, I thought I'd give a shout out to K7QO. He has got a great series of build videos for the 1 water, which is a kit available from Kits and Parts. A lot of fun to build. Small little kit. Again, it uses SA602s for the mixers. It's a lot of fun, and I'll provide a link to K7QO's channel below. Great lot of information there. But anyway, just a quick video. Got the audio section hooked up. So if we just move to the schematic, you can see it's just these sections here. Here's the result on the board. So you can see there's a LM386 in the left-hand section there, surrounded by some electrolytics. And then it's hooked up to a 1K pot for audio gain, and an earphone jack for a 3mm jack for the audio output. Now, you can actually test this here, and this is one of the great things I learned off K7QO's channel. You can actually make sure that everything's going fine with your audio connections by touching pins 2 or 3 on the IC, and you can see there's noise there on pin 2. That's pin 2. This is pin 3. You can actually hear some of the strong local AM stations as well. So it just confirms that the audio section's working fine, and we can move on to the next section.